You think McDonald's fries are just potatoes and salt? Wrong. There are 19 ingredients in these golden sticks, and potatoes aren't even number one.
I'm examining this one closely. We have to ensure they meet the strict criteria for size and shape screening before they continue down the line. Miles per hour. This machine can cut through a ton of potatoes in under a minute.
Freshly cut and ready for the next step. I know something you don't know about how these become the perfect fry. But here's where it gets controversial.
You might think you know how this works, but here in the factory, we use what's called the partial cook method.
It's holding steady at -40.
Keep the conveyor clear. We've got a heavy load coming through.
Welcome back to Behind the Factory. As you can see, this line moves incredibly fast, processing thousands of bags of fries every hour with pinpoint accuracy.
Hurry up, we need to clear the bay. Bring the next pallet over here. Keep those stacks even.
They call it industry standard practice, but behind the factory walls, this storage duration means these fries are a lot older than you think.
Slow back, slow back. Now angle it left. Perfect, hold it right there. And stop.
We're here during morning prep. These massive fryers are the heart of the operation, ensuring everything is cooked perfectly. Let's count them down. There are 19 ingredients in these fries. We have citric acid, dimethyl polysiloxane, and tertiary butyl hydroquinone.
Ingredients: potatoes, vegetable oil, which includes canola oil, corn oil, soybean oil, hydrogenated soybean oil, and natural beef flavor.
Here's your fries. Have a great day.
And most people eating them have no idea what actually went into making them.